Welcome to Ready Set Green. Green has become a common buzzword for environmentally friendly products. But keep in mind, green does not always mean that it's non-toxic and completely safe. Take the time and do your research. Again, the best place to do your research on the internet is the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Household Products Database. I recently found a product that claimed to be environmentally safe. Unfortunately, I was unable to locate it on the Household Products Database website. So I contacted the company and asked for a copy of the Material Safety Data Sheet, which is also known as MSDS. These forms are required for all chemicals, and as a consumer, you have the right to request the MSD for products. They are helpful in determining if a product is safe. The Material Safety Data Sheets list the hazardous ingredients and the harmful effects of the product. When I received a copy of the MSDS for that particular product, it did contain toxic ingredients, and I was not comfortable bringing it into my home. In my home, I prefer to use an all-purpose super cleaning concentrate. The one I use has no scent and is safe for nearly everything. I also like that since it's concentrated, I can dilute it into spray bottles, and the product is safe for my children, even when they mop the floors. When I use it to clean bathtubs, I use a half a teaspoon in 2 cups of water. When I use it to clean a sink, I only need 1/4 of a teaspoon. It's very concentrated. For removing rust, soap scum, and spills in ovens and grills, I recommend a good organic concentrated scouring paste. Many people ask, how do I whiten tile grout, since chlorine products are not a safe option? I actually use an all-natural laundry booster and fabric whitener, and it works great. It's highly concentrated, and I only need to use about a teaspoon in 2 cups of water to scrub my tile, and I actually mix it with my all-purpose cleaning concentrate. Be careful to read your labels and make sure that your products can be mixed. Many all-fabric whiteners cannot be mixed, so it's very important to pay close attention to the labels, and if you're not sure, call the manufacturer to find out the recommendation. For disinfecting toilets and kitchen counters, I recommend a highly concentrated germicide that is safe for the planet. Keep in mind, germicides are still toxic, so I don't train children how to clean toilets. I save that for young adults. I only use a small capful to clean the toilet bowl, and the one I use is also concentrated so I can mix it with water and make a diluted solution that's still very effective. If using a germicide is not an option for you, I recommend hydrogen peroxide as a disinfectant. Check the internet and do your research and find out how to use hydrogen peroxide as a disinfectant in your home. Some key words to look for in researching for a safe alternative are concentrated, biodegradable, organic, non-polluting, phosphate-free, non-toxic, non-irritating, non-flammable, and unscented. Keep in mind that phosphate-free and organic can still contain a toxic chemical.